It's not about the size, it's about the party. Evite Tiny Party Challenge 2018 returns with 4 popular influencers in a head-to-head competition to see who can plan and throw the best birthday party with a tiny budget and even tinier space. Our contestants are surprising a special lady in their life with a birthday party just for her. Meet contestants Dennis and Andrew from the Crafty Lumberjacks.
Hello, I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew, and we are the Crafty Lumberjacks.
We are DIY bloggers. We also work for HGTV Handmade and create digital content for them. And today we're throwing a tiny birthday party for Andrew's sister, Jen.
Hey!
Hi!
We decided to throw the tiny party for Jen because she is one of the hardest working moms out there.
Yeah, you're constantly giving to your family, so today we're gonna give to you.
See you in 4 hours. Bye.
Meet our contestants, Tanner and Courtney, of A Little Craft in Your Day.
Hi, I'm Tanner.
And I'm Courtney.
And we're A Little Craft in Your Day.
We share DIY content for the next generation of creatives. We're so excited to be throwing a tiny party for our friend Blaze.
Hi! Blaze is one of our dearest friends, and we're so excited to throw a party for her.
Blaze can expect to see us trying really hard to recreate her Instagram in a party.
Go! Oh my God!
Each contestant will have $500 and 4 hours to decorate their space. Meanwhile, in another room, their guests will be watching their party come to life.
Right now, we're using inexpensive wrapping paper to create a photo backdrop wall. It's gonna be geometric shapes, patterns, all over our entire space.
Let's meet our guest, Blaze, a friend of Tanner and Courtney.
I do social media for a living, and I also do illustration and graphic design. Tanner and Courtney invited me to come celebrate our friendship.
This pegboard is going to become our donut wall. So we're gonna add some wooden pegs and then hang donuts from it. So one tip that we would love to give you is to base your party theme around the person that you're throwing the party for and their personality, and not just go off of current trends because they'll be out of date really soon.
Very 80s. Woo! So it's really tricky to cut out circles. So what we did was we took a tabletop and we're using that as a guide.
Let's meet our guest, Jen, Andrew's sister.
When Andrew and Dennis told me that they were gonna do a party for me, I was really surprised.
Jen, we love you so much.
We chose Jen as our guest because she is the mom of the century. We really want to kind of treat her to a special day and just kind of spoil her a little bit.
Do you want me to hold it and you go back and look?
Yeah, we're gonna have to tie it up here. I really think the hooray needs to be there, which means the piñata needs to get moved.
New to Tiny Party this year, each guest will randomly pull a card from the Help or Hinder deck.
No talking for 10 minutes, which is gonna be pretty hard for them. I think that Courtney and Tanner are going to create their own form of sign language, probably. Hopefully there's no like physical violence.
We're making good progress.
Yep.
Once we finish the walls, we just have to get all the furniture, everything else in here, but we can do it.
Yeah, and we're about at the halfway mark, and I'm really looking forward to the help card, just because
We need it.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's something like an extra person comes and helps.
The Crafty Lumberjacks lucked out. Jen did pull the help card.
Yes!
What does it say?
It says,
Guest helps out for 15 minutes.
Yes!
There she is, looking totally rad.
so my strength, I think, to help them is really just to help them finish this wall, cut and tape. Okay, what do you want me to do? I don't know if I really helped that much. I just tried to clean up. I first started to try to cut and to tape, but they have a vision and they were very specific about that vision.
All I'm saying is, whoever said party planning was easy, they're wrong. My favorite tip is to buy some extra donuts so you can eat them
No, don't eat that. We don't know it's extra.
I'm really starting to feel antsy about what we're really gonna do to finish it off.
In the next half, we still have to set up our gift station. We're gonna try to fill some balloons with glitter and spray adhesive. Hopefully that works.
They know that I work with glitter a lot, so I think that's part of it. I don't love glitter. I think that glitter is a problem and it should be banned.
So this is our finished donut wall. I really love how it came together, and one tip for it is not to try to cram all of the donuts on there because it might look a little messy. It's totally fine to have like a little donut cake on the side.
Donuts, great decor.
So when we host parties, we always like to have activities. We decided to do a whole build your own dessert table. We have popcorn here. We used dollar store bags, and then we just added some color with a little bit of spray paint. You can add your own sweet or salty kind of spice to your popcorn.
A punch here, and you can add your own sorbet floater on top. These totally tiny tarts are vegan.
So a lot of our props and our photo props are thrifted and upcycled. We decided to grab some 80s nostalgic pieces like a boombox,
Telephones.
Can you imagine with cords, the roller skate,
Yes.
and just turn it into a floral arrangement. Super easy, we just put a glass in here with water and then our flowers.
All right, guys, it's completed. We have 31 minutes and 40 seconds left, but it is completed and we are so excited.
A Little Craft in Your Day has finished their tiny party. It's time to reveal it to Blaze.
That freaks me out. But
We kind of realized this wall was so bland, and we just took some like glue, glitter, balloons.
they look really cute. I'm gonna have to do that at a party someday. It makes me feel very warm and fuzzy that two of my very good friends would honor me like this, because not only does it's so nice to be celebrated, but the fact that it's so personal really kind of takes it a step further.
Hi, I'm Tanner,
And I'm Courtney.
and we're a little craft in your day.
And this is Blaze's Tiny Party.
Yay!
You should vote for our party because you can eat our decorations.
Crafty Lumberjacks, eat our donuts.
Watch out, little craft in your day. We're coming for you, 80s style.
It's time for the big reveal. Let's see what Jen thinks of her tiny party.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
We have our little punch here. We're kind of doing a throwback to sherbet punch, where you can put a scoop of your sherbet into the glass and then add the punch. And we also have decorating your own pie station.
Oh my gosh. Wow, this is awesome.
That popcorn was on the floor.
Photo props here. And then with the instant camera, you can print out the picture and then you can put your pictures right into the scrapbook here. And then you can have a keepsake from the party.
I know, how great is this? Because half the time you take pictures, you never print them out.
Never.
You never see them again.
Never.
So,
I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew,
and we're the Crafty Lumberjacks. And this is Jen's totally rad tiny birthday party. People should vote for us because we traveled all of our props and our supplies from New York in 2 suitcases.
And our party isn't just a party, it's an experience. There's so many activities involved. No one's gonna be born at our party. And plus, we were born in the 80s.
Don't tell them
We
that.
deserve this.
Yes.
Visit evite.com/tinyparty to vote for your favorite party. One lucky voter will win a $500 gift card and a Fujifilm Instax camera bundle.